Hello. Hi everyone. Today I want to share with you how I play my last 2 days. So I bought too many boxes like that, and then my idea was on the uh, top of a box I want to have some windows, so I take a ruler and pencil and I draw lines. Then I take a knife and cut that lines to make window. So it's goes out. Okay, now I get eraser, take off this line, then I take a double tape one, two, three, and four. Okay, it happened. Doesn't matter, I think. Okay. Then, because that goes out, I take it glue and glue it. Then take it both, take top of double tape out, okay, and then I take acid clear, put on, and because I break it here, then I will cover that with strips. So again I need to put double tape, but now I put double tape not exactly on the corner, and I tell you why. Okie dokie. Again bones, again take off one, two, and four. I prepare before these four strips. One, two, three, and fourth. And now what I will do it, take a scissors and cut these strips to make corner. If something take off a little bit, fix it. One, two. To have chance do that, that's why I not put double tape on the corner. So it's free, so you can go in with scissors. Fixed. Okay, and last one. It's hold with glue. Okay, what's happened? Now I just take it glue and glue these corners. One, two, three, and fourth. Okay, a little bit hot, and now come the hardest work for me, because now we have to fold all this skirt line. Look like something here. And also we have to fold these corners. I just push with fingers inside. Now I take it, glue on all four sides. And Now it's not very easy. Just push that fourth corner inside and glue it. One side, other side. Before I do that other side, of course, because I am running, so 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now I take it bones, go around all this. You see, here is not, I don't know why. Okay, we can cover it with something. And what I don't like it is each corner have something. You have to fix it. I don't know where I buy this. Okay, so we have something like that. And now I take it 4 strips for cover, and that will be a little bit smaller. Oh, it can be 2. Okay, 1. Let's go. 2. 3. And 4. 4. And because it's paper, I just take it glue and again I not put to the corner glue. And let's see. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We need a little bit weight, but because I rush, so I will try to not take off 1. 2, 3, and 4. Quickly glue. And 4. Okie dokie. Now a little bit wipe this. Okie dokie. in. That is the card. I put in. Here we can write some wish. Look at that beautiful window. See street outside. Inside is Christmas tree and beautiful armchair where we can rest. Okay, so like that. And maybe I glue same flowers here. Thank you very much to visit my channel, and I just want to show you what I doing last days. Christmas is come soon, so see you on the next video. Bye bye.